Hey up, carrying on with the same theme of what I've been doing, a few garden planters painted in the willow colour. What I want to do is revamp this a bit. Now, it's been in the garden a few years. It's basically just a shell and a plastic pot goes inside. But it's been in the garden about 4 years, I'd say, possibly 5. And as you can probably see, when I did the top of this, I mited them at 45. And I've mentioned in a couple of my previous videos that people say you're probably better off cutting them square. And if you notice these, you can see how they've kind of come apart. Now these were wood glued and pinned at the time. But anyway, it's all seen better days. So what my plan is, I'm going to sand it all up. I'm going to knock this top trim off, and I'm going to do it butt joints like I've been doing the others. But what I'm also going to do to try on this, I've been doing the others with pocket holes. What I'm thinking is of doing this with biscuits and just see how it weathers over the years. In fact, what I might do a couple of the joints pocket hole and a couple of them biscuit, and see how they pan out over a period of time. See how they last, and see which one works out best. So, a bit of wood that I'm going to use is some offcuts I've got. I'll trim them down to size. I'll plane them up and probably end up about the same width as them, about 70mm wide. And then, like I say, butt them up. And so anyway, that's the idea. Give it a revamp and put a new trim around the top. So let's see how it goes. Right, I was going to use my little toffee hammer that the wife bought me. Love you always, but I don't think that'll be up to the job. It hasn't struck a blow yet, to be honest with you. So anyway, let's use this baby and knock these trims off. Alright, so that's with the trim off. What I'm going to do now, give it a brush down, a bit of a sanding on the outside, then I think I'll paint that. If you notice underneath, I've put them bits of glides on, them nylon glides again, which I think they definitely help it keep the weather out of it a little bit. But anyway, I'll sand it up and then I'll give it a coat of paint. Now it's time to give it a coat of this. Grouping old willow. Normally takes 2 coats to get it properly covered. So that's what I'll do with it. Give it 2 coats. Let's paint it that way. I'll give the bottom a bit of a covering as well. Right, that's had a coat. I'll let it dry and then I'll give it another one. In the meantime, I'll start making the trim for it. Right, these pieces here, I want to make them 70mm wide by 330mm, so that it gives me an overall size of about 400 when it's sitting on top of the pot. Yeah, the pot's 360, so I want 400 with 20mm lep all the way around. So let's put these to size. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to biscuit joint a couple of the joints, and I'm going to pocket hole the other couple, and then wood glue them as well, obviously wood glue, and see how they pan out over the life of the box being outside. See if there's any difference how they weather, how long they last. So them can be pockets, and that can be a pocket. No, sorry, them will be biscuits, and then these will be pockets. So if I put a pocket on that one and on that one, and then those will be biscuits there. Right, them are the biscuits I'm using that I picked up at Lidl, is it? Now, I don't know what size they are. Them are number 10s, them trends, but they're smaller than them. According to this, they're 47mm, the length of them. So, it's got 0 biscuit there. I don't know if that's the size or what. But anyway, they're smaller than number 10. So I'm going to use a couple of them anyway. Give this a coat now of this Cupinol, what is it? Cupinol country cream. Again, a couple of coats, and it should be okay. That's it, that's finished now. Just got to be put over the top of the pot, which is in the garden, and put a plant in it, and that's another one done. Here we go, finished off with a plant in. Next one are the tall ones that are dead. Anyway, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.